welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about HackerRank contest. So I have received few requests in last month. So I am preparing video on HackerRank contest. So guys, let's start. Personally, I believe that HackerRank contest is one of the best platform for programmers to compete with the world's best programmer. It will teach you a lot and how to think. Everything will be cleared. So guys, let's start. So first you need to go to HackerRank website, and here you will find the compete section, where you will find all the contests that are going on or the past contests. So currently one contest is going on, that's why I am preparing the video, so it will be better for you to understand. So guys, let's so you have to go on compete section. When you click on the compete section, you will find that three active contests are there. One is Project Euler, that is open for indefinitely, like when you can find this contest anytime. Okay, so two major contests are going on right now, that is Hack the Interview Asia Pacific and Hack the Interview US. This is for Asia Pacific people, and this is for US based people. So this is contest was started on 26 Jan. Okay, so here all the active contests will be listed, and all the upcoming contest also. So for you have to sign up, click on sign up, then you will be enter in the contest. So I have just signed up and Hack the Interview Asia Pacific contest. So to tell you about, so I have enrolled in this. Okay, so you can also check the past contest also. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on the enter. After sign up, you will get this kind of screen, like you will get an enter option. So when you are solving the issues, solving the problems, you just need to click on enter. Okay, so here you will find the list of challenges. Four problems are there with different difficulties. Like one question is of difficulty easy and other are of medium. Generally they give advanced and hard level difficulty problems also, but this time they have given easy and medium only. But I guess the mediums questions will be of hard and advanced level. So you can find the max score also. On the basis of this score, they will be going to give you a rank. Okay, so you will be identified by that rank. Generally what happen na, HackerRank will provide you the gifts to the top rankers. Suppose you enrolled in this contest and you solved and you got a good rank, like first, second, third rank, then you will be awarded. You can also check in the contest tab, where you will find all the information about the contest, like what are the gifts you are going to get. Many companies also organize the contest, so on the basis of which they select the students and give them the job. So this platform is also very good for if you are searching for jobs. And also if you are got a gold medal or silver medal in this contest, then this will be a great impact on your resume, and it will help you to get your job easily. So here are few problems that was there in this Hack the Interview contest. So you will find this, and whenever you will solve this, uh, you will get some ranking. Currently I have not solved any question, so I am not having any rank. Okay, so it will also tell you when the contest is going to over. So you can also find the current leaderboard, like who is on the rank 1 2, because they rank on the based on the time period you have solved the questions from the starting of the contest. So this user has solved that in 43.52 seconds, 43 minutes and 52 seconds. You will find his country, his username, and he was ranked among the first, and you will find the whole list. When you will solve now, you will get your rank also. So if currently I have not solved any question, so I am not having any rank. Okay, so here you will find any rank. Okay, and compare progress. You can also compare your progress with someone else progress. Like when you click on this now, you will get two tab. Here you will get your time period. Okay, so actually I have not attempted, so I am not having any time period in which I have solved that problem. So here a time period will be there, and to whomever I want to compare my progress, I can mention his username and then compare, then his time period will be available there. So this is one functionality is also there. Review submission is also there, so if you submit any solution now, that will be available here. Okay, so you can check that also. So suppose we check out the one question like new keyboard. Okay, let's see what the question is. So here you will find all the information about the question, what actually question wants. Okay, so input format is also given, constraints are given, and output format is also given, like proper question description is there, so you will not be getting confused. Okay, so here you will find the difficulty level, max score, and how many submissions are there. That is an important thing, like 1373 people have already submitted the solutions. Okay, so you can also rate the challenge. Okay, so below you will find some output examples. Okay, like this string is given in the input and output is there. Okay, so explanation is also there, that how that output is there. So now you have to code. You can select any programming language which you want, and then you can code. Like few that now auto code is there, so few code is already written, you just need to write your logic here. Okay, so this is how HackerRank contests are going. Okay, so this is really helpful. So I have solved a lot of contests earlier. So I will suggest you that it will really help you to get a job, a good job. That gold medals on your resume will help you a lot. Uh, Mostly difficult level problems are very hard. Like difficulty here, you will find medium level difficulty only. But in most of the challenges, most of the competitions, you will find hard and advanced level questions also. So for that I will suggest you, based on my experience, that I will suggest you to go with the mathematical concepts. I will give you one example, that in few competitions, in one question I was stuck for 2 days. The that contest is for 1 week, and for single question, that is of difficulty medium level, hard level. So on that I was stuck at 2 days. That question is too difficult. Like you will get to know that what actually question wants and what will be the output. The major concern that you will find in hard and difficult, hard and advanced level question is the complexity in which you need to solve the questions. Brute force algorithm, you will solve only few test cases, like 1 or 2 test cases will be passed, but majority of test case will be giving timeout. Okay, so to solve this I will uh, tell you that major questions, that is of difficulty level hard or advanced, will be solved based on mathematical concepts. Like in one question I have derived a whole concept, mathematical concept, that is of 2 page concept I have derived, and I have formulated the equations. And on the basis of that equation, like from understanding the questions and then deriving the whole solution based on paper based solution, and then implementing that in code. Like I have solved the, I understand the whole question, and then implemented my logic on paper, then converted that in mathematical model. Like when you got to understand the solution, you can write that solution, but that complexity is not, that is not optimized solution. So for optimization purpose, mostly what happened in challenges is you have to come up with some mathematical equations. So based on that mathematical equations, you get got answer in less complexity. So this is my suggestion to all the users, all the competitors, so that you can easily solve that questions. So I will suggest that keep improving your mathematics, so that will leads to help you to solve, to become a better competitive, better in competitive programming. Okay, generally people say that mathematics is not that much important, but I will say for competitive programming, mathematics is the most important thing. Okay, so this is video is all about HackerRank contest. So after the contest is over, like I have explained everything, like these questions are there, their max score will be there, and one more thing, success rate, that how many people attempted that question, and out of that how many percentage of people have actually completed all the test cases. So if you check for this question now, you will find that success rate is very low, 16.67% success rate for the difficulty level is easy. Okay, so that success rate is very low, and for XOR problem the success rate is high. Like many people are able to solve this problem, and many people are not able to solve the difficulty level easy problem. Okay, so these are the contest section. Okay, so after the contest is over, the ranking will be reflected on your profile. So you can just click on profile tab, the profile, your profile will be open. So here at the bottom you will find your contest history. Like this way. I have attempted 4 to 5 contests, so here is my percentile. Okay, so contest rating they will provide you the percentile and the competition in which you have participated. Okay, so at the end you will find how many you medals you have achieved. Like I am achieved one gold and two silver medal in contest, so that will be reflected, and that thing you can mention in your resume, which will help you to get a job. And also many companies also organize hacker rank contests, so they can hire their employees directly from this contest, because their question levels is too tough. Okay, so they can invite you for directly interview based on your performance in the contest. So guys, this is all about the hacker rank contest. I hope you like this video. Guys, do share this video, like it, comment if any doubt you are having any doubt, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you guys.